everyone, welcome back to WsCube. In our previous session, we learned what is JSON and what are its application, why it is used, and with which language it is compatible, and with Python how we can use JSON. Now in our today's session, we will be discussing about how to convert Python objects into JSON. So let's have a look on how it can be done. Now guys, converting Python object to JSON, process of converting a Python object to JSON is called as serialization. And if you have a Python object, that means if you have a data written in Python and you want to convert it into JSON, all you need to do is you need to use this method that is called as json.dumps. So let's have a look on how it can be done. Now first of all, as we guys remember that if you want to use JSON in your program, then you need to import JSON over here. After importing JSON, I will be creating a data which is written in Python. So let's say I'm creating a dictionary over here that employee is equals to. Inside the dictionary, I'll be providing with a name, age and gender, right? After giving this data, now what I want to do over here is I want to convert this employee data, that means this dictionary, into a JSON. So how we will do that? For that, all we need to do is use our dumps method. That means we will be creating a variable. Let's say I'll be creating a over here. So for that, we will be creating a variable over here. Let's say I'm creating a is equals to json dot dumps, and here inside the brackets, what we will be writing which data we want to dump, which data we want to convert into JSON data. So we will be writing employee over here, and after this I will be printing my a over here. Now we know that the JSON data comes in a form of a string over here. Let's run and see what comes over here. It comes in a form of a dictionary, but what if I print its type? So here if I print type of a, you will notice it is not a dictionary, it belongs to the classes of string. That means this data has been converted into a string. That means this data is now a JSON data. So this is how you convert a normal Python data into a JSON data. And this process is called as our serialization, or we can also call it as encoding. Let's consider another example over here. For example, let's say I'm creating a list over here. So I'm creating a list of fruits. Fruits is equals to, I'll be writing mango, comma, banana, comma, apple. Now I want to convert this data also in terms of our JSON data. So what we will be doing, I will be writing over here d is equals to json dot dumps, and what we will be dumping, we'll be dumping our fruits over here. As soon as I dump it, and if I print over here, that print b plus print type of b and run it. So you will see that the list over here has also been converted into the format of string. That means again it's a JSON data. So guys, this method over here where we convert our Python object into JSON is called as serialization, or we can also call it as encoding. So I hope guys what serialization is clear to you. And our next session we will be learning how we can convert the JSON data back to Python data. So stay connected guys, and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.